Samsung has kept tech enthusiasts on their toes, and this year seems to be no different. With whispers of 3 exciting new models in the Galaxy Tab S series, the compact tablet market is poised for a significant shakeup. Rumors suggest that Samsung may unveil the Galaxy Tab S10 Lite, the flagship Galaxy Tab S11, and the powerhouse Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra this summer. This highly anticipated lineup is expected to cater to a diverse range of users, from casual tablet fans to tech-savvy professionals. A compact flagship returns. Having stepped away from the 11-inch segment last year, Samsung appears ready to embrace it once again. The Galaxy Tab S11 could be the company's ticket back into the compact flagship tablet space, potentially equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset. This advanced processor promises impressive performance for multitasking, gaming, and productivity. Interestingly, Samsung seems to have skipped the Plus variant in this series, moving directly to the Galaxy Tab S11 and S11 Ultra. This decision could reflect a streamlined approach, offering only the best features in 2 carefully curated models. Galaxy Tab S10 Lite, light yet powerful. Rumors about the Galaxy Tab S10 Lite have also sparked interest. Expected to feature the Exynos 1385G chipset, this tablet could offer a balance of affordability and performance. With both cellular and Wi-Fi variants in development, the Galaxy Tab S10 Lite might cater to students, casual users, and anyone seeking a reliable tablet experience without breaking the bank. The Ultra flagship, Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. At the top of the line, the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra is expected to redefine premium tablets. Codenames GTS11 and GTS11U spotted in early leaks suggest that Samsung is leaving no stone unturned in making this a productivity beast. Featuring next-generation hardware and the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset, this tablet could be a game-changer for content creators, designers, and professionals seeking peak performance in a sleek form factor. What's missing? While Samsung seems to have big plans for the S11 series, there's one omission that has puzzled fans: no direct successor to the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus. This absence might indicate a strategic pivot, focusing on compact and ultra-premium options instead. The bigger picture. Interestingly, these leaks come on the heels of Samsung's recent launch of the Galaxy Tab S10 FE and Tab S10 FE Plus. Although these models have been in the market for less than a month, rumors about the next generation have already taken the tech community by storm. Adding to the speculation, Android Authority reported that snippets of One UI code contain references to the upcoming models, signaling Samsung's commitment to innovation.